Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how do you pay with PayPal without using any cards or your debit or credit card. All right. Okay. So firstly, open up PayPal, log into your account. Firstly, so once you've logged into your account, so if you want to use your PayPal, so what you can do is you can simply there's two or three ways that you can do. You can simply top up your PayPal balance. So if you have enough sufficient balance on your PayPal, so you can just use your PayPal to make payments. So that's fine. All right. So you don't need a card for it. So you can top up your PayPal balance. Or else what you can do, you can straight away link your bank account. Instead of card, you can just link your bank account, and then you can use your PayPal to make payments, and payments will be deducted from your bank account. So to do that, what are you going to do? Firstly, you're going to click on these. If you go to wallet option here, so click on wallet. So firstly, what you can do, you can link your bank account. So you have this link a bank account option here. So click on link a bank account. Okay, and then type in your banking account details here. Hit on agree and link, and then PayPal will verify your account details, and then they will link your bank account. So once this is done, then that's it. That's good enough. So you can straight away use PayPal to make your payments because money will be deducted from your bank account. So that's one way that you can do it. Another way that you can also do, in addition to linking your bank account, is that, so suppose that you have already linked your bank account. So what you can do, you can add some balance to your PayPal balance here, and then use that to make payments. So for example, hit on transfer money. Okay, so once you hit on transfer money, under money in, click on add money to your balance. So we're going to add some money to to your balance. So okay, so when you hit on add money here, you're going to see an option like this with your bank account details. So this is so once you have linked your bank account should display should show here. So all you can do is just select your bank account. All right, select your bank account, and then hit on next, and then here type in the amount that you wish to add. So you can select you can select a specific amount, and then you can add it to your PayPal balance, and you can use that balance to make your payments. So for example, you can just choose any amount. For example, you're gonna put around $100 on your PayPal balance, and then leave it for all, and then use it for all your purchases. So you can do that. Then hit on next, and then continue and complete the transaction. So in that way, you will add balance to your PayPal balance, and you can use that balance to make your payments. So that's pretty much it is. So hope this video is helpful to you all. I'll see you all in another video. Thank you.